guided visualization of walking in the rain. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a peaceful forest. The air is crisp, and you can smell the earthy scent of the trees. You feel a sense of tranquility as you step onto the path, surrounded by tall, majestic trees that provide a canopy of green leaves above you. As you continue walking along the path, you hear the distant rumble of thunder. The sky starts to darken, and a gentle drizzle begins to fall from the clouds. The raindrops hit the leaves of the trees, creating a soothing symphony of nature's music. Allow yourself to embrace the rain. Feel the cool droplets landing softly on your skin, refreshing and cleansing. Each raindrop brings a sense of renewal and rejuvenation. As you walk, you notice how the raindrops create tiny ripples on the surface of puddles, adding a touch of sparkle to your path. Take a moment to notice the sound of rain falling on different surfaces. The pitter-patter on the leaves, the gentle tapping on the ground, and the soft splashes in the puddles. These sounds create a serene ambience, providing a gentle rhythm to your steps. You may choose to open your arms, feeling the raindrops gently caressing your skin. Allow the rain to wash away any worries or stress, as if it's cleansing your mind and body. Embrace the feeling of being fully present in this moment, connected to nature and the elements. As you walk further, you notice the vibrant colors that come alive in the rain. The greens of the leaves become more intense, and the earth beneath your feet seems richer and more alive. Nature's palette is enhanced by the rain, creating a beautiful tapestry of colors and textures. Continue to walk at your own pace, enjoying the sensation of raindrops on your face, the smell of wet earth, and the peacefulness of the forest. Each step you take brings you closer to a deeper connection with nature and yourself. As the rain gradually subsides, you may notice a sense of clarity and renewal within you. The rain has cleansed not only the world around you, but also your thoughts and emotions. Take a moment to appreciate this newfound clarity and carry it with you as you slowly make your way back to the entrance of the forest. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing the sense of tranquility and connection from your guided visualization into your present reality.